Hey guys, I'm Mira. I'm a software engineer intern at Ultravox, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can integrate an agent into a web application that assists users in filling out a form. So this is easily created by creating an agent as well as tools within the Ultravox web application, as well as using Ultravox's JavaScript SDK. And you can do this in under 5 minutes. Before we get into all the details, I'm going to show you guys how this demo works.
Hello, I can help you with filling out this form. Let's get started. Could you please tell me your name?
Mira.
Okay, great. Could you please provide your email address?
Mira@fixie.ai.
Okay, great. What is your occupation?
Software engineer intern.
Okay, great.
Okay, so now that you guys have the gist of how this works, I'm gonna go show you guys how this is all put together. Before you start creating tools and your agent within your Ultravox account, make sure that you have an Ultravox API key. Okay, so you can create the tools that you need for this form filler within the tool tab. And so the first tool that you'll need is the fill form tool, which automatically fills out all the form fields with information provided by the user, and all the details of this tool is within the README. Alongside this tool, you also need the submit form tool, which submits and clears the UI of the form after all of the required fields are filled and validated. So once you have your tool set up, you can create your agent within the Ultravox web application. So you can attach your tools to the agent as well as the system prompt that is provided in the README. And once this is all set up, we'll head over to our code. So once you have your agent as well as the tools configured in the Ultravox web application, you can go ahead and clone the Ultravox-examples repository and navigate to the form filler directory. And in there, you want to create a .env.local file, which will include your API key as well as your agent ID. And then also make sure that you have Node.js and npm installed in your machine. And all you have to do is run npm run dev and it'll run the local server. In the page.tsx file, we can see that Ultravox's JavaScript SDK is utilized, and we can also see that the two tools, fill form and submit form, are both defined here as well. If you want to replace the form with a different set of questions, you can go to this form.html file and replace or add any questions that you want. This route.ts file parses through this HTML and returns a JSON response, and this is put at the end of the system prompt so the agent knows which questions to ask and which form fields to fill out when making those tool calls. So that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video shows you how easy it is to create both your agent and your tools within Ultravox's web app, and then utilizing the SDK to integrate that agent into a web application. The instructions on how to create this agent will be linked in the description, and we'll see you guys in the next video.